Hello captains and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a model unboxing. So this is a pre-recorded video and it is coming out on Christmas, so happy Christmas everyone. And in this box there is one model unless they put an extra one in. So this is from AMS. Obviously, and as I said, it's a pre-recorded video, so I'm trying to cut it open with one hand. Okay, then I'll change the view and we'll go on to review the model. There we go. Woohoo. Oh yes. See that, guys? AMS, great company. And there should be also one more thing inside. Paper, and there it is. This is the model. Proud Independence. JC Wings, my first JC Wings model. The lot Polish Airlines 787-9 special Independence delivery and the kitchen. Yeah, nice. Cool. Thank you. Yeah, no, nothing more. No surprises. So make that out of the way. Into the camera view like this. From the stand. Okay, and now let's review it. So, oh, it's already ticked. Okay, JC Wings. So this is flaps down configuration. No, this is the normal one. Right. So I'll bring it over here. Okay, so on the top there you have the Boeing 787-9 titles. Then it says Dreamliner and Polish Airlines lot. The livery there. The beautiful box designed by JC Wings, my first JC Wings model. I wanted to try them out. There we go, JC Wings. Oh, dirty box. I never like it. And there is all the specification if you want to pause and read. Okay, but now let's get into the unboxing. So this model I really wanted, and if I can find the 737 in this livery, I will also buy the 737. Oh, and this is alright. Woohoo! Oh yes. This feeling when you get a model, you have the plastic off, and there's the model. How can I get it out? Maybe gently. Hopefully it's not broken. I mean, why would it be? Oh yes. Quick check. Okay, in perfect condition. There we go. Oh yes, look at that, guys. How beautiful is this Dreamliner? Ooh, stunning beauty this is. Right, let me put the box out of the way and then I'm going to review it. So this is the Dash 9 Dreamliner that also operates the Dash 8. I believe. Oh, these engines are a little too low, but let's start on the front. Zoom it in. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, so on the front here you have the cockpit windows, then the nose, the Star Alliance logo, then some titles I can't read it. Then SC, there the nose gear. The Poland with the Polish flag inside it, the L1 boarding door, lot Polish Airlines titles, then you have the first antenna, the Wi-Fi hub, then all the way down the fuselage, the Poland flag, you have the IATA logo, very nice, Rolls-Royce engines, lot titles, main landing gear, so it's all good, just these engines are a little too close. And it says proud of Poland's independence. This is for the special 100 years of independence livery. Registration of this model is Sierra Papa Lima Sierra Charlie and Boeing 787-9 there. And here we have the logo of LOT. Also, LOT is one of the oldest airlines in the world, founded in 1921, I believe. There we go. That's the head view of the airplane. Oh, look at these details inside the engines. I wonder, do they spin? They probably don't. They do! They do spin, see that? Spinning fan blades. What about this one? Yep. It spins. Okay, beautiful. So engine spin, even though it's a 1400 model on this side, it's all the same. Oh, here it says it in Polish, so dumni z niepodległości Polski. Very cool. Polskie linie lotnicze LOT, so LOT Polish Airlines. And then you have the detail there at the back of the engine. Right, I will now flip it over for you and show you the underbelly. Okay, gently, right, it's brand new. Okay, so the underbelly, you have your nose gear, which does roll. Even if it didn't, then I don't mind. Here you have the second wheels. They're done quite alright. JC wings. Here, this one rolling as well, and the one antenna there on the underbelly. Now you can see the true detail on the engine. Look at all that. Stunning, absolutely beautiful, and obviously lots of titles on the underbelly as well. So this is very beautiful, full model, no damage at all to it, immaculate condition. I love it, and it's a great addition to my collection. So there we go, guys. This is the 100 years of independence 787-9 by by JC Wings. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. As I said, this model is stunning, and my first time impression with JC Wings is absolutely brilliant. I am for now very pleased with JC Wings. I will buy them in the future. But for now, that's it from me, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.